प्रकार भी संभोग भी 5 प्रकार है, ये 4 प्रकार की है। संकीर्ण संक्षिप्त संभोग, संकीर्ण संभोग और संपूर्ण संपन्न संभोग और विद्यमान। पूर्वराग के बाद जो मिलन होता है इसकी जो है कहा जाता है संक्षिप्त मिलन कहा जाता है, संभोग। मान के बाद जो मिलन होता है उसको कहा जाता है संकीर्ण संभोग का मिलन कहा जाता है। किंचित प्रवास के बाद जो मिलन होता है उसे कहते हैं संपन्न मिलन कहा जाता है। और सुदूर प्रवास इसलिए समृद्धमान मिलन कहा जाता है। काल हेतु हम लोग श्रवण किया था, न बिना विप्रलंबेन संभोग पुष्टि सुनते। मिलन विरह बिना मिलन की जो उत्कर्षता नहीं होती। जिस प्रकार कपड़े को बार बार कसाय रंग में डुबाने पर, पसंद कलर में डुबाने पर जैसे वो उज्ज्वलता धारण करते हैं, उसी प्रकार जो है ये
check in the Hindi sound, voice will be clear there. Hari Bol, Rashmi Didi, Hindi broadcast is available. Hari Bol, check there.
क्योंकि प्रेम जहाँ पर घनीभूत हो जाता है और घनीभूत होकर के अपने को प्राप्ति नहीं होने पर, दूसरे की प्राप्ति होने पर, मिलने पर, उससे क्या कहते हैं वो ईर्ष्या प्रदान।
So when love become condensed form, so what happen if you are not getting your beloved, so you feel so much enviness in your heart, because whatever happening in this world, what kind of love we are seeing in this world, that is selfish love. But into transcendental world, so whatever the envy, jealous, whatever showing there, it is all for the Krishna's pleasure or preeti. Sometimes Gopi in the separation mode, they feel themselves very ashamed, they feel themselves very ashamed.
गोपियों, इस वेणु के ऐसे कौन सा पुण्य आचरण किया है कि वह गोपी की प्राप्त अभाव सुधा का पान करता है, उसका अवशिष्ट रस भी संपूर्ण रूप से पान कर लेता है। हम लोग के लिए कहीं भी नहीं छोड़ता। कभी यमुना, मानसी गंगा आदि नदियाँ और सरोवर भी वेणु के सौभाग्य दर्शन कर कमल आदि पुष्पों के रूप में रोमांचित हो रहे तथा वृक्षगण पुष्पोचन करते हुए और वे पानी मांग सोचते हैं कि ये हमारे वंश में ऐसा एक वंशधर पैदा हुआ है जो आद्य कृष्ण की कुशल में एक वैष्णव संतान पैदा होने पर जो प्रसन्न होते। यहाँ पर गोपियाँ कुछ विनम्र से
Now Gopiya here very humbly,
विनम्र से कह रहे देखो,
they are saying,
सभी हम लोग की तो कृष्ण की जो अधर सुधा है,
He Saki, we are not, we didn't get the fortune to get the taste of Krishna's lips.
वेणु के ऐसे कौन सा
So what kind of
पुण्य फल है
flute had the punya, good deeds or punya fal that always
प्राण गोविंद की जो अधर सुधा
she is relishing the lotus lips or our pran priyatam Govinda.
तपस्या की बात हमें श्रवण करें, हम लोग भी ऐसे तपस्या आदि करके वेणु जन्म लेकर के है, कृष्ण के सदा सर्वदा अधर सुधा पान करें।
So what kind of austerities we do so that we can always and continuously relish the Adhar Sudapan, the lotus lips, we can relish the lotus lips of Krishna's.
है, तीव्र जनी जनी प्राप्ति करने की लालसा क्या जनी
Check now, sound is okay.
मनुष्य जनी अपेक्षा है, तीव्र जनी में यदि हम चले जाए पशु पक्षी
If he goes to,
होकर के जन्म ग्रहण करें,
if we get the birth in the form of trees and animals, then
प्राप्ति करने की हमें सौभाग्य
we will get the fortune to association with Govind. That's why here it is saying,
तो बताओ
hey Saki,
वो वेणु की कौन सा
what kind of Venu has did the austerities, or what kind of austerity she has done.
आचरण स्वयं जो वेणु जो है कुशलमस्तु स्म शब्द के द्वारा क्या बोलते हैं, विस्मित शब्द होता है ना, विस्मान सरप्राइज, ये कौन सा वेणु के पूरे वेणु की कर्म है?
So what kind of previous karma for that Venu
अधर सुधा नाम की एक गोपिका
that she is relishing,
प्राणपुत्र दामोदर के लिए अधर सुधा
that she is the relishing the lotus lips of our Pran Govind,
मात्र जो है
which is not possible,
अधिकार है,
which is all the adhikar of Gopi.
वेणु के अधिकार नहीं,
It's not the right of the Venu, it's all the right of the gopis.
कर्म किया
So what kind of karma Venu did that, why the consequence of that,
छीन करके मानो है,
she has
और छीन
stolen our right,
करके ढीठ होकर के हम लोग के दिखा दिखा कर
and even she is showing us that we are taking the lips, taking the rus of the lips of Govind.
धन जो है
And like Venu is saying to the gopis, oh gopis, look that I am relishing the lotus lips of Krishna before you, and you are not getting that.
ये कहना चाहते
So even Venu is here saying like
हैं तो गोविंद के बंधन करके
that
कैसे बंधन किया, दामोदर अधर सुधा नाम, यह दामोदर का निषेध यशोदा दामोदर की उल्लेख नहीं है,
Radha Damodar.
राधा दामोदर है, यही सूचित हो रहा है, अर्थात कृष्ण
So here the Damodar means not the Yashoda Damodar, it's Radha Damodar. When once happened when
होते
Krishna disappeared from the ras,
प्राप्त किया मिले,
when she got after some time,
उस समय गोपियां ने किया कि
so what gopis did?
बासुमती राधिका ने की किया कि कृष्ण के कमल के साथ राधा जी के साथ बंधन कर,
So what Gopias did, they have tied the Krishna with the Radha's vest,
रस्सी के द्वारा
just like Mother Yashoda tied the Krishna with the rope. In the same way,
फूलों के मालाओं के द्वारा
Gopis has tied the Krishna with Radha with the flowers garland,
ये है जिसके द्वारा डालने
flowers garlands.
सुंदर सुगंधित
So beautiful, fragrantive garlands.
कमर में
With the garlands, they have tied the Krishnas with Radha's Ji's vest.
है, जैसे कहीं भाग नहीं जाए,
Maybe just because he cannot go anywhere, and if he goes somewhere, then he will go with Radha. So this was the mean.
कुछ गाय जो है बहुत धूर्त होता है, इधर उधर भटके रहते हैं, इसलिए गोपालक क्या करते हैं, ग्वाला क्या करते हैं, एक गाय के साथ दूसरे गाय के कान से
So
बांध
actually, what happens in the cow shed, we have seen that their some cows are very rascals, like they go here and there. So what the Brajvasi do, what the Gwali do, they tied one's legs to another cows so that they cannot move here and there. If they move here and there, so they will go with another one.
और दूसरी जोर से ही वो दौड़ नहीं
so they cannot run so much fast and cannot be able to go here and there. So in the same way, Krishna was tied with Radha ji, so that with the flowers garland, so that he cannot go here and there, and if he wanted to go, so he will go with Radha ji. So that's why Krishna's name became Radha Damodar. In the literature there is two Damodar. First is Yashoda Damodar, who is Vatsalya Ras Bhav, and Radha Damodar, who is Madhurya Bhav.
राधा दामोदर, इसलिए दामोदर सुधारण में तो गोपिका जो राधा दामोदर की जो सुधा अमृत है वो गोपियों के लिए ही एकमात्र.
So on the lips of the Govind there is only right of the gopis, but that dry stick, that dry wood, the flute, which is which has so many holes, and she is inside very there is nothing inside the flute. So how she is relishing the lips of Govind, and Gopi is again saying she is relishing the Gurudev is very thirsty. Take water. Otherwise you can go to the
भोजन लंपट जो होता है, जो भोजन में इतने लंपट इतने खाने में जिसको
on the table there is a bottle.
बहुत
And the blue one there is a
वो क्या करते हैं,
so you can put and
खाली
drink the blue
थोड़ा सा भी छोटे
you can drink.
25 रुपए करना तो बहुत दूर की बात है. वो क्या करते हैं, चाट करके पत्तल को जैसे
Actually he is coming from some so far.
कुछ ऐसे भी करते हैं, पत्तल भी खा लेते हैं. बंगाल में जो है केले के पत्तल के ऊपर जो है भोजन कराया जाता है.
So in the Bengal what happens, people used to serve the foods stuff on the banyan tree, so which is culture is there, pure culture is there. We used to eat here in the steel vessels, steel plates, or in other plates we use here. But in the Bengal, they used to for taking the food stuff on banyan trees, and they use the banyan tree which is very soft. So that very soft banyan tree they used to serve the prakash. Whenever you go to the Jagannath temple, Anand Bazaar, so in the Anand Bazaar, there the people used to serve the food stuff of Prasad Jagannath ji on the banyan trees. So this is a process there. So this is showed the culture is there. At the time of Mahaprabhu, many devotees used to go to him. They at the Anand Bazaar, they used to take the food there, not at their home, in the Anand Bazaar, and that prasad was served on the banyan tree. So the person who was very fond of eating, what he used to do, so they used to eat the food like this, that they can eat up all the banyan tree also, the plate also. Even they cannot leave the little bit prasad. So Gopi is here saying this flute or Venu, what is she doing? So she is taking the rus of the lotus lips of Govind like that she is not leaving even a single drop. So gopis are saying, hey, you should leave little bit for us. So seeing that scenario, seeing all the Braj trees, Yamuna and everything, they are so much pleasure because they are saying, oh, we are not getting.
कौन?
Bansi.
वेणु।
So the trees of the Vrindavan, they are saying because Venu is in from our inheritance and she is in our dynasty. That's why she is relishing the taste of Govind lives.
किसी एक वंश में एक वैष्णव उत्पन्न होता है।
So it is said in the scriptures, if there is a Vaishnav take birth in any family, even it is he is, if he is Kanishta Adhikari, maybe he is who doesn't have any scriptures on his, but if he is following the four regulatory principle and he is taking initiation, and sometimes they used to chant only, so he is the Kanishta Adhikari. So this kinds of Kanishta Adhikari, if taken birth in somebody's family, so their dynasty feels themselves very fortunate. Even not only in this world, the people who are staying in the Pitra Lok, they also feel so much pleasure that we have this kinds of boy or this kinds of person in our family. And the earth says my birth is successful because this kinds of Vaishnav has taken birth on the earth. So the earth used to say that my sinful activities, there are many sinful person, but after taking the birth this kinds of Vaishnav, I am little bit feeling free from sin. So it is mentioned that we are not the sadhak. So who we are? We are donkey. We are sadhak. Yes, we are sadhak. When a sadhak take the admission, when a student take the admission in the school, so he used to call a student, he used to call Vidyarthi. Give little bit. He will take. He will take. When any student takes the admission in the school, he used to call a student. Okay, he is the student now. At the time he has taken the admission in the school, he is called Vidyarthi, he is called student. So now the principal of the school he used to say that now because we have noted your name in the school's registers, so now you are the student of our schools. So you have connection with the school. So now the principal is saying that you are the student of our school. He doesn't have any kinds of notebook, any books. Still he is calling student. And the same student when he was continuing studying in that schools and he is passing the class 1, 2, 3 and 11th and 12th. So then he used to go to the college, student Vidyarthi. Then he used to call always a student there. From one class to MA, PhD, whatever he done, he is always called like a student. Okay, you understand? So in the same way, in the scriptures it is said, in any kul, any dynasty, there is a Vaishnav took birth. Here it is not saying for the Uttam Adhikari, even a simple Vaishnav, Kanishta Vaishnav. So who has taken the initiation in Vishnu mantra? Who has taken the mantra from Guru? So his name is registered in the form of sadhak. Who has become the Vaishnav, so he will never be, there will be never downfall. So the person who is walking on the mud, he cannot be fall down. What is the fall down actually? So who is rising up? who is rising up and falling down. So it's not the patan, it's not the falling.
गिरने की क्या क्या है? अरे गिरना फिरना नहीं है हैं? ये सब लोगों के समझाने के लिए कहा गया कुछ न कुछ तो फिर पतन होता है जो शास्त्र में लिखा गया क्या पता नहीं
So bhakti never destroy. Actually, bhakti is the transcendental thing. It is transcendental. So the material things always vanish. That's why our Bhaktivinoda Thakur is writing in Kirtan. You have to read very carefully. People are saying bhakti is destroyed. These all are the shit of some words. This is mal, potty. This is shabd mal, the words potty. We are staying in this world, so we are using this kinds of word of this world. He used to say so many things, this and that. These all are the shabd mal. Because if bhakti is manifested in somebody's heart, so bhakti cannot be destroyed. This is transcendental. So the transcendental things cannot be destroyed. Even these words is using somewhere, so we should understand this is covered by Jeev Goswami Pad in his Tika. He is saying like this: it is covered, just like there is a fire in the stick. You see a fire stick, a one fire stick, and somehow the fire is destroyed. So what happens? So there is a fire in the stick. So what it is covered by the ashes. But when the wind will flow, so the fire will burn again by the flow of wind. So in this way, whatever we are saying, the destroy and something, so this is only for making the people understand. Who cannot understand, so what to make them understand? There are two kinds of meaning in the scriptures. One is simple meaning and second is special meaning. If bhakti is eternal or nitya, how the bhakti can be destroyed? Bhakti never destroy. It is always covered. Avrit. We don't understand that, and then we used to say Prajalp, and when he has fallen down, who has fallen down? Fall down, lockdown. So we used to say these kinds of words. Is it true? If we think that bhakti is Sachidanand, then how the bhakti can be destroyed? The material things can be destroyed, but the transcendental thing cannot be destroyed. Bhakti is transcendental, that's why it cannot be destroyed. So this is very deep vichar is there, that deep views is there. We have to understand this. The material thing who has the origin, so that will be destroyed. But who doesn't have the origin? Who has the creative one thing which is created, then that will be destroyed. Which is not created, so how that can be vanish? How it can be destroyed? So sound. So sometimes for make the people understand, this is called the Shabd Mal. Karma is created, but bhakti is not created. If we take the philosophy, according to the philosophy, because bhakti is transcendental, you can ask the question to the Pandit. So the thing which is created, that will be destroyed. So material things, the mic things is created, so that's why they can be destroyed. But the things which is not created, so how that can be destroyed? So the transcendental things are not created. This is eternal. So this is always showing us like a prakash or a prakash. We have to understand. So if somebody understand, then we can make him understand. If somebody want to not understand, then how we can make him understand? So wherever these words are used, that his bhakti his bhakti was destroyed, his bhakti was dried. So for making the people, general people, for make the people understand, or for sometimes make the people afraid, that so that that person can save the bhakti and perform bhakti nicely, just like we are saves our valuable things and we put in the hidden way. We used to keep our precious things in a very hidden way, in a very safety point of view. So that's why this is all kinds of so you should understand the vachan of Gurudev, views of Gurudev. Bhakti is covered by the aparad. Bhakti is covered, it cannot be destroyed. So the word is used. So everything is said like this, just with चला गया. I would like to show the people what is happening here. So there are two kinds of things, transcendental and the material. So the transcendental things can be destroyed, but the transcendental thing which is not created, so how it can be destroyed? If we take the philosophy, according to the philosophy, the things which is not created, how it can be destroyed? So the things which are created, that they can be destroyed already. That's why it is said, Brahmand Brahmite Kono Bhagyavan Jeev, Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Beej. So what is the seeds of bhakti? Seva Vasana, the tendency of service. You have that thing in your heart, but what you have to do, we have to wake up that things from your heart. We have to enlighten that from your heart. That's why in the Bhagavatam it is said, fire is everywhere. In the Srimad Bhagavatam it is said that fire is everywhere and everybody's body. There are 5 kinds of elements, Panchatattva. So what we have to do, we have to enlighten that Agni, that fire. So if the thing is not there, so how you can enlighten that? So is there fire in the stone? No. No, there is no fire. So that is a friction, it is not the fire. So the fire, it is in the wood, is stick. So if we take 2 pieces of wooden sticks and if we friction that, so friction will come and the fire will come from that sticks. So the things which we have in our heart, which is eternal. Uday. What is the meaning of Uday? Enlighten. Just like Surya Uday, the sun is rising. So sun is there, but according to time it is rising. Sun is every time available, but at the time what happened, it arises and we can see by our eyes. So in the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj, the Kasturi Manjari, he is saying like this: Nitya Siddhi Krishna Prem Sadhya Kabu Nahi. It is not possible by the sadhan. Lakdi mein. So there is a fire in the sticks, but there is no need to carry from somewhere else. But what you have to do, you have to enlighten that. So in the same way, bhakti is in your heart, but you have to enlighten that from your heart. So we have to understand this little thing only. That's why it is saying Nitya Siddhi Krishna Prem Sadhya Kavuna. What is sadhya? So sadhya, what is sadhya? By the performing sadhan, the things you will get, that is called sadhya. So Krishna's prem is in your heart. How you have to enlighten that? which
सूक्ष्म
so it is in your heart in a very minute form.
उसके प्रकाशित कर
So you have to enlighten that by hearing.
तो लोगों के समझ में नहीं
Hearing.
आता।
So these people is not able to understand these things.
जिस कथा सुनते सुनते जिसको दिमाग में जो हो गया
So this is
किताब पढ़ लिया और वही इसको मान लिया।
so people are thinking like that. The people who understand and take reading from somewhere.
डिमिशिंग शब्द व्यवहार हुआ है। जो अपराध उनसे
So the word which is using the diminishing or destroy, that the bhakti is diminishing or diminishing.
ये समझते जो है
So this is all
आधार पे कहते जा रहे हैं जैसे कोई
according to the base of somebody who is on the upper madhurya bhav, but after committing offense,
आ गया वो
shant.
सबका भाव क्या बोले वात्सल्य से सबका उनके नीचे आ गया।
So from the madhurya bhav, he is getting down
आई भाव प्रकटित नहीं हुआ
because the sthai bhav is not manifested of his bhav
जब तक स्थायी भाव में नहीं आ जाता
until the sadhak not come into the sthai bhav. So the ups and down going on there.
है
Are you
यही
getting?
समझ में नहीं आता है तो कहते हैं कि
So if the people is not able to understand, so they used to do many kinds of principle and siddhanta.
स्थायी भाव के तो इसके स्थायी भाव के विशेष स्थायी भाव के डेफिनेशन क्या दे
So what is the meaning of sthai bhav actually? What is the definition of sthai bhav?
स्थायी भाव में किसी कोई परिवर्तन नहीं है
Sthai bhav means the thing which is not changeable. Simply,
है? स्थायी कहते हैं ना हम स्थायी
we used to say
बासिंदा है।
sthai, stable, stability.
वही है।
So the people who has the same the bhav, he will only remain in that bhav.
भारत की स्थायी बासिंदा
So we are the sthai stability vasi citizens of India
हम
because
अमेरिका से नहीं आए।
we are not coming from in America. We are Indians.
ऐसे में हमारे जन्म कहाँ हुआ
We have taken the birth in India.
भारत जैसे हम भारत के
So that's why we are the stable citizen of India.
और अस्थायी बासिंदा लिखते हैं
And some people used to listen unstable or as asthai.
अथवा दूसरी प्रोसेस से अपने इंडियन सिटीजनशिप ले लिया
And they have taken the Indian citizenship somehow. So they are not the sthai. They are not the stable citizens of India.
अस्थायी बासिंदा नहीं
So they are called who has not taken the birth in India. So they are not actually Indians, but they have taken the citizenship for India. That's why they are calling Indian.
इंडियन सिटीजनशिप इंडियन लिखी
So some people who has not taken the birth in India, but still they are writing the name in Indian citizens. So they are not Indian citizen, but they have taken the citizenship of India. So what is actually who was actually Indian? Who has taken the birth in India? So that's we used to write the word sthai basinda means he is the person who has taken birth in India.
वो स्थायी भाव उसी का है जो भाव कभी
So the sthai bhav means the bhav which cannot be changeable.
इससे स्थायी भाव की डेफिनेशन क्या
So
है
what is the जो अपरिवर्तनशील?
विरुद्ध अविरुद्ध भावांश
So what is the meaning of sthai bhav? विरुद्ध अविरुद्ध भावांश.
कोणीभूत करके है? राजेन विराजयते है? है? जैसे एक राजा
Just like there is a king,
अपने अनुगत जन और अपने विरोधी जन के जो है क्या करते हैं? अपने प्रभाव के द्वारा
so just like a king, he is controlling his against and the person who is taking his shelter and who is against them. So according to his power, he is controlling all of them. So that's why he is called king.
विरुद्ध अविरुद्ध
Viruddha and Avruddha, against and
राजा अनुगत जन के द्वारा क्या रखते हैं उनके साथ प्रेम प्रति
so the person who is taking the shelter of king, so the king is so much lovable with them,
क्या करते हैं
but the person who was not favorable or against with kings, so he is ruling them,
दाम दंड देते
so he is giving punishment to them.
हैं? इसी प्रकार
So in the same way, sthai bhav means which is not changeable actually.
है? विरुद्ध अविरुद्ध भावांश
Viruddha aviruddha bhavanscha, the against and favorable.
करके है? राजेन राजा के है? क्या कहते हैं विराजमान इसी बात इसके स्थायी भाव परिवर्तन नहीं होता।
So sthai bhav is not changeable
स्थायी भाव में नहीं चले
until the sadhak goes on sthai bhav.
तब उनके लिए ये सब कुछ अप डाउन होते
So up down is going on in their life, like from madhurya to dasya to sakhya. So this kinds of is happening. So if he is committing offenses, then he will come down. If he is performing bhakti, then he will come down. So when he comes into the sthai bhav, the stability bhav, so he cannot go ups and down, he cannot move up and down. So we have to understand these things very carefully.
इस स्थायी भाव में जब पहुंचता
When sadhak goes to sthai bhav, reached to sthai bhav, dasalya, sakhya, vasalya, madhurya, so until he is not reaching at his sthai bhav, his ups and downs is going on. So the simple means to say, until the sadhak is not getting his proper position like the sthai bhav, so ups and downs is going on. When he reached this sthai bhav,
वो कब होता है? प्रेम के दशा में पहुंच जाता है।
okay,
आप में जाकर के उसमें कुछ गंध आता है।
so at the stage of bhav, there is a little bit smell of downfall because of aparad.
में जाकर के कोई पतन नहीं होता।
But when he reached the bhav avastha,
तो चाहते हैं जो भरत महाराज जी के जो दिखा रहे, बोले ये लोग शिक्षा भी दिखाएंगे।
this is sometimes people is downfalling.
कहते हैं, इसको कहा जाता है माया विजृंभित लीला कहा जाता
This is called the Maya Vijravint Leela.
है। पीड़ा नहीं होता। क्या बोला?
Where is noise? Where is noise?
माया विजृंभित लीला
Maya Vijvrint Leela.
तो होता है।
Maya Vijvrint Leela.
पीड़ा नहीं होता है, भाषा कैसे करें?
Maya Vijvrint Leela.
उसमें लिखा है कि नहीं, पढ़ो।
It is mentioned.
भक्ति रसामृत सिंधु
So in the Bhakti Rasama Sindhu Bindu, Srila Vishwanath Chakravartipad,
इसी तरह से दर्शन
he is wrote that very nicely.
भाव उसमें टूट करके भगवान महान की पतन कैसे हुआ?
When the sadhak reached at to the bhav avastha, so there is no chance of downfall.
आज हम पढ़े कि नहीं पढ़ा?
Have you read that?
अच्छी तरह से पढ़ो। हैं?
How Bharat Maharaj can be downfall? What is the story?
कहते हैं वहीं पर कहते हैं क्या? इसी लीला को कहते हैं माया बीज
Bharat Maharaj cannot be downfall, but actually for showing to the common people, this leela was done for showing the common peoples.
बस जो भाव में पहुंच जाते भाव
But the sadhak who has reached to the
या
bhav,
भाव कहने पर स्थायी भाव कहते हैं।
so the bhav means here is sthai bhav, stability bhav.
स्थायी भाव में इससे पतन नहीं होता।
So the person who has reached to sthai bhav, there is no downfall of that soul.
रसामृत सिंधु बिंदु
So you have to read Bhakti Rasama Sindhu Bindu, where Vishwanath Chakravartipad has mentioned everything very nicely.
आज ये पतन इसी के कहा जाता है माया
Maya Vidvrinch Leela, for showing or making the common people understand. Maybe you haven't heard the name also. Maya Vijvrint Leela.
एक प्रकार शब्द होता है जिसके इंद्रजालिक लीला
And also it is called the Indrajalik Leela, just like a illusion Leela.
जो कुछ लीलाएं होता
So
है
some Leela the one performed, that is called Indrajalik Leela, like illusion Leela.
है, जैसे महिषी है
Just like Mahishi Haran, kidnapping on Mahishini. Mahishi Haran or अरे
दो लीलाएं, एक महिषी हरण
और एक और थी
मूसल लीला
मूसल लीला. Yes,
है,
Mahishi Haran and the Musal Leela, which is done by the son of Krishna.
हम नहीं करे
Sent us a Mahatma cursed them that, oh, you are taking iron rod now because in the womb. You have heard this story?
है, मूसल लीला क्या है?
What is Musal Leela?
है, आपस में
So
लड़ते हुए मर
when the Krishna's sons, they were fighting each other and they died, and Krishna also died there.
वो बाणों के द्वारा कृष्ण के मार दिया कृष्ण मर गया।
So because that hunter, the Bahilya, you have heard the story, that hunter threw the arrow in the feet of Krishna, and Krishna died.
वहीं पर कृष्ण के
So in the
प्रभात में
in the 12th canto, when Krishna was disappearing his Leela, so this kinds of description is there also.
उनकी चरण कमल को देख करके सोचने लगे ये क्या है?
So when that hunter was thinking, seeing the red feet of Krishna, so it is just like a heron. He was thinking like that.
तो उसके सोचते
So that's why he threw a arrow, and that time,
तो बाण लगने से क्या हो गया वो
and by attacking the arrow, so Krishna died. Oh, so some people used to say like this.
भाई जिसके पकड़ नहीं सकता
So the Vayu, the air cannot touch that thing.
बाण लग गया
The air cannot touch the soul. So that super soul, the soul's master, super soul Paramatma, who can touch that? Who can kill that? So whenever you go to Dwarika, people used to say, the Pandas log used to say like that, that Krishna was killed here. The funeral ceremony took a place here. So this is called the illusion, Indrajalik Leela, for attracting the peoples. And for hearing this katha, many people used to come in Hari Katha, and they hear this kinds of Hari Katha. And some people used to speak mixing so much salt and mirchi, salt and So these all kinds of Leela, Mahishi Haran Leela and Musa Leela, these all are illusion, Indrajalik Leela. Nirbodh means, so the person who has less wisdom, for making them understand, or creating his little bit Shraddha on the Hari Katha. That's why these kinds of stories or Katha used to tell, because they are taking so much interest in these kinds of Katha. But actually it's not true. These are not true. Just like I used to give a magician examples. So in the court of king, he showed a play, and what happened when he was playing the magician there, so the king and queen was so much impressed, and they give the necklace of her neck, and that seeing the necklace of her neck, their sons were fighting each other, so they took a sword and they cut each other's head, and after that mother kid cut his head, and seeing the magician, he also cut his head. So everybody cut his head. The person died on the floor. So everybody was seeing, and the people was died, and they were falling on the ground, and blood was coming so much there. So Raja and Rani, they were so much unhappy. They were so much feeling pity. So they have give the fire. The funeral ceremony held there. Still, after some time, what happened? They came back. So next day was Uthavani, means the glorification of the four persons. So at the time of the Uthavani, everybody was expressing their sorrow. So the queen was so much sorrow, so she was thinking, because if I wouldn't give the necklace of my neck, so the four peoples will be alive today. So Raja, the king and queen, when they were going to speech, so at that time postman came, and that postman said, "Oh Maharaj, before giving your speech, you should read this letter." So on the letter it was written, "Maharaj, whatever play I showed you, so after pleasing that, Maharani, give me the necklace. Now I'm coming to you with another place. So what kind of prize or present you will give to me?" So at seeing this, when he was hearing the letter, so the magician, his wife, and the both son was coming, and seeing them, everybody was astonished. How is it possible? Who has died, whose funeral ceremony was dead, so how he can be alive? So this is called the Indrajalik Leela, illusion Leela. Many big who used to show the circus, they used to do the things like that for attracting, making the people attracted. Impressive. There's PC Sarkar. There is a great magician, PC Sarkar. He's a great magician. Now there are many people are showing magics, but the PC Sarkar was a great magician. This is called the Indrajali.
अनेक मंत्र तंत्र अथवा आंखों
By
पर
so
एक
many
पर्दा डाल करके
mantra tantra, and why they are making a curtains like hypnotize the people.
उनको दिखा रहे हैं तुम सोच रहे हो वो कलाकार तुमको तुम्हारी आंखों
So
पर
you are
पर्दा
seeing that they are cutting their heads, but actually by the month they have hypnotized you, and you are seeing the same thing which they are showing.
बड़े-बड़े कहने
So these all kinds of big magics are showing here and there.
सुनते हैं भगवान करके पूजा होती है क्या ना अरे क्या नाम है
Ram Rahim,
अरे जिसको भगवान कहते हैं जिसको मूर्ति लगते हैं हजार लोग उसकी पूजा-
Satya Sai Baba.
हाँ सही बात है इस सब से तंत्र मंत्र आदि अनेकों रीति की प्राप्त कर रहे हैं
कौन से साईं बाबा या सत्य साईं बाबा? एक तो लंबे बाल वाले हैं।
लंबे बाल भी छोटे वाले भी बाबा ये हजार लोग उसके पीछे क्यों घूमता है हजारों लोग उसके पीछे थोड़ी घूमता है
So many people are following that Sai Baba because they are showing the Riddhi Siddhi and the magic. So that's why many thousand people are following them.
हाथ की कला से किसी भी
So by their art of hands, they are showing so many kinds of leela. So by they are presenting so many shaligram from their mouths. What kinds of all leela these? This is by the Riddhi Siddhi, by the arts, by the hand of arts of hands. They are showing these kinds of leela. अरे विद्धि सिद्धि तो
ये बड़े-बड़े जो भक्ता जो होते हैं ना
there are
कथा सुनने के लिए भी चाहिए सब रिद्धि सिद्धि प्राप्त करते हैं सब टीका लगाते हैं लेकिन ये टीका लगाते हैं रिद्धि सिद्धि बिना थोड़ी हो जाता
many
दुनिया में 5 व्यक्ति नहीं आता
there is no
पूजा कथा बोलते रहते हैं
no 5 people cannot come to listen my Hari Katha, but thousand people are. Asharam was telling the katha, so thousand people were coming. I have seen in the Govardhan his pravachan was going on, so thousand people was oh, it was so much huge land there.
लाख लोगों की है
15 lakh.
और क्या 10 से 15 लाख
So there were 10 to 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs people was there. So all of they are coming just because of Riddhi Siddhi. Who will hear the Hari Katha of them? What kind of Katha they are saying? Just because of Riddhi Siddhi, many people are coming there.
की बात बोलते हैं
They are just saying such. They all are saying the Gramya Katha, useful rascals things only.
और लोग उसे 5 घंटा
And you people used to sit there 5 hours. Even if I'm saying the Hari Katha, 1 hour is really hard to sit in Hari Katha.
तो इतने समय तक कैसे बैठा रहता है
So how is it possible that people can sit 5 hours long?
भाई ये जितने भी है ये सब क्या होता है
This is all. They have all taken the Riddhi Siddhi. They are showing the magic.
इसी तो लोग पीछे
That's
चमत्कार देखा लोग के पीछे दौड़ता है
so if you show the miracle to someone, so what happens? The people will the crowd will follow them.
कथा बोलो
So if you say
कथा तो जो कथा बोलने वाले होते हैं ना वो ये बनाते हैं वो दिन उसमें रिद्धि सिद्धि करते हैं मंत्र आदि जप करते हैं देव देवी के मंत्र आदि जप करते रहते हैं
so, they used to chant the mantras of Dev Devi, like, and they put on the round tilak.
आदि से भक्ति भक्ति के साथ के समझ में असानी भक्ति नहीं करते हैं
Because actually they are not following the bhakti, they are just doing the stupid things because they are not following Ekadashi, what to speak or other things.
करते कोई नहीं तो जो है
Many people of them are not following the Ekadashi,
भक्ति कैसे होगी
so how they can perform bhakti?
इसके पीछे हजार लोग
So but thousand people are following them. Why? Just because of Riddhi Siddhi.
है और वही रिद्धि सिद्धि भी कम नहीं होता है
And that Riddhi Siddhi is not less than.
रिद्धि सिद्धि कम नहीं करता
After some time Riddhi Siddhi also gone away because now he is, now you can see the ashram, he is in the prison.
हाँ यही तो बात है समझ नहीं सकता
So we should try to understand, you should try to understand what is happening there in the world.
गुरुदेव जब प्रवचन करते कितने लोग आते
And when our Gurudev used to do the pravachan, how many people used to come? You were not at that time.
कितने लोग आते थे
how many people in the Roop Sadhan when he was doing the pravachan, so how many people used to come? Just like 100, 200 only, 300 Videshi, 300 foreigners and 400-500 Indians. Is it possible that 4,000 people were coming in the Narayan Maharaj pravachan?
अरे भाई यही
So this is,
शुद्ध भक्त जो होते हैं बड़े वो यदि स्थिति को जो जिसके प्रयोजन की स्थिति है वो आ जाएगा नहीं।
so they are not telling about the Riddhi Siddhi because they are doing the Shuddha Pravachan. That's why many people doesn't take interest in that. But these people need the prestige. They want name and fame. That's why there is no relationship with Bhakti. Just for the attracting the people, they are doing Gramya Katha. It's not Hari Katha.
ये लोग जब भीड़ जमा भीड़ इकट्ठा करने में आगे
If you need to collect the move, then do Ulti Siddhi Katha. Then so get the Riddhi Siddhi just 10 years. Go to the Haridwar. Go to Rishikesh, Himalaya or Haridwar, get the Riddhi Siddhi 10 years, and then after that whatever you will say, that will be happen, because there are many kinds of Abba Baba Taba. So they all have taken the Riddhi Siddhi. Thousand people, why they are coming there?
हमारे पास 10 आदमी के इकट्ठा करने के
So it's really hard to collect the 10 people in my katha. Maybe they will say 2 or 3 minutes and then we'll go away from here. But in their katha, there are thousand people and sitting for 5 hours. Because of Riddhi Siddhi,
बंदी चौक होता है ना, जैसे बंदी चौक करता है
hypnotize.
कोई होता है
Bandi cha.
के पास जाओ वो बताते हैं
Because if you go to then
में आ जाने से
oh,
जाने नहीं दूंगा।
so they have a area like which is bounded by the hypnotism. Then if you go in that area, you cannot move here and there. There is a Baba here.
अरे चट वो बंदे वाले
कौन सा बाबा?
जय गुरुदेव।
Ah, Jai Gurudev.
देखा कि नहीं?
Have you seen the crowd in the Jai Gurudev's move? 10 to 20,000 people used to take off darshan of his darshan. Jai Gurudev. Because we used to somewhere, so in the midway, yes, there's a temple, Vari temple. So why it is happening actually? This is all just because of Riddhi Siddhi. Nothing else. Chalo. So Katha, what we were saying Katha, now we have moved to another Katha. So that's why Vaishnav, whatever they are saying, that is true only. So Bhagwan sometimes you show the Indrajalik Leela. So the people who are following or speaking, or the people who are listening and speaking this Indrajalik kinds of Hari Katha, so they never cannot get bhakti. They never get bhakti.
आप मुझे देखना, जो बड़े-बड़े पाठक होते हैं ना, वो देखो उनके ऊपर आने के समय यहाँ पर एक ये लगा रहता है, काली जिंदगी वो लाल।
You have seen, तो मुरारी बापू भी लगाते हैं, मुरारी बापू के भी बड़ी। आजकल तो कारा वो चल रहा है, इशू चल रहा है बड़ा। So nowadays the issue is going on. They used to put bindi, red, black kinds of bindi on their foreheads. That's why I thinking there is too much time happen. Okay, 54. So that's why here it is saying. Now come to the Hari Katha, actual Hari Katha. So Gopiyan are saying that the fortune of Banshi, so they are feeling herself so much ashamed that what kinds of fortune that flute has, that she is relishing the lotus lips of Govinda. Even Brajvasi used to glorify the Vanshi Venu, so that Krishna's both lips are like a a pillow, upside and downside, just like a pillow, and they are massaging the feet. They are massaging the feet of Venu. And when that Venu feels little bit hot, so by the eyelid Krishna is doing fanning on that Venu. So this is the kinds of bhav of gopis. What kind of sweet bhav they have? Gaur Premanande. So here it is also said, Hey Sakhi,
देखो यहाँ पर ये कर है जब कृष्ण जब वशिष्ठ रसन विदिन जो हम जो कथा दिए बंसी के सौभाग्य देखकर विवाह वेणु के सौभाग्य
so seeing the fortune of that Venu,
नदियाँ
Vrindavan's river and the trees,
सब प्रेम में
they all observed or intoxicated in the love, because we never got this kinds of fortune, but the people, the Banshi who has come in our dynasty, so she is relishing the lips of Govind. Just suppose that in your village somebody become the prime minister, you don't have any relationship with him, but still when you go to another country, so who is Modi? He is Modi from our town, our village, so you will be proud by saying this, because he belongs to our village. Hare, I have so much good relationship with Modi, because he used to sell the tea and he used to come to me. So you will say many kinds of things, so you will add there. Even you don't know that where he is living, where and where are you living. Sambandh. Yes. So if there is a higher personality, and so we would like to make a relationship with him little bit, and after saying like this we feel ourselves so much proud. So in the same way, in the Vrindavan, the trees or rivers, so they are feeling themselves very fortunate and describing that we have a relationship, because that flute has come in our dynasty, and now they are relishing the Adhramrit, the lips ras of Krishna. And now these all rivers and the trees, the tears is coming out from their eyes, because we didn't get this kinds of fortune, but our dynasty, this flute who has come in our dynasty, now she is taking this kinds of ras. So sometimes it happens in the love that enviness and pleasures in the Prem Rajya, in the stage of love, this kinds of things is happen. Sometimes people are happy, sometimes unhappy, sometimes enviness, sometimes jealousy. So here it is saying, what pious activities has this flute performed to relish the nectar of Krishna's lips, which is mean for us gopis? He is drinking all the ras and not even leaving us one drop. Sakhi, upon seeing the good fortune of the Venu, the Yamuna, Mansi Ganga and other rivers and the ponds manifest the ecstatic symptoms of horripilations in the form of blossoms, lotuses and other flowers. The trees shed trees of love, delighted to have such a descendant in their dynasty, just as noble persons are delighted that a Vaishnava has taken birth in their family. Hare Krishna. Yes. What kind of gopis bhav have? So the chhatta of Madhumakhi bee, so the honey is coming out from there, and gopis are saying, oh look, this kinds of just look at the tree, it is crying by the mode of love. So now the Braj Ramis, already eager to meet with Krishna, become even more restless. A vision of the sweetness of Krishna's. What kind of fortune that Venu have? sometimes something maybe she did. If we ask to Venu, oh Venu, please tell us what kind of good deeds you have done. By the consequence of that, you are taking the relish, you are relishing the lips of our Pran Govind. What you have done? Please tell. What are the cause and effect? Venus are saying, oh bhaiya, actually this is true.
मैं गोपियों की चरण धूल और उच्छिष्ट है
I have taken the
और क्या
feet of the dust of the gopis and the uchisht remnants of their
भक्तपद धूलि भक्तपद जल और भक्तपद
shesh. So we have how I have taken the water of the feet of gopis, dust of the feet of gopis and their remnants. Look, in the Yamuna, when the gopis every day used to come take bath in Yamuna, so I get the dust of the feet of the gopis,
और गोपियों की क्या हुआ
charan.
चरण दर्शन
So we also take the water of the gopis' feet. And the third, when gopis, so when you gopis used to do the, you know, what is called? Achman. But they used to like this, no? What is this? What is called? When we do paste, brush, and after that we take water and we do like this. What is that? You say Achman. This is Achman. So they were spitting on us. So that's why we were taking the remnants. So we will discuss more thing about this tomorrow. Hare Krishna. Thank you for tolerating me. Jai Jai Shri Radhe.